Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually watch your replays in Valorant. Well, unfortunately guys, at the moment, Valorant is upgrading the system to be able to watch your replays. So if you want to play and then you want to your career, you will find that your games are here, as you can see, but you can't really do anything. You can, for example, let's go for this one. I can't really find the replay button or any way to watch the replay. But what you could do is install some software that can help you actually record your plays. So whenever you do kill someone or someone died, the software itself will like make a timeline to record that play. So now how we can actually do that? Well, there is multiple softwares. For example, there is the most popular one, which is, as you can know here, it is buff. Not that one, which is this one, buff level up game, which is this one. So basically this application actually really good. What it does is basically record all your plays, and at the same time while playing you will earn some coins or buff coins. These coins actually will allow you to get a lot of like premium stuff, for example, right points and so go on. So in order to get it, you can just click here, download, and click here. Let's accept all cookies. And now we can see here all the games that you can actually use this buff in order to like get points, etc., or record your play. So there is CSGO, League of Legends, Dota 2, Fortnite, Minecraft, Fall Guys, Overwatch, PUBG, and Valorant, which is what we are talking about today. Now let's wait until it's fully opens, and I think it's gonna be somewhere in downloads. So let me just opens this. Yes, and it will be added to your apps in here. So if you have it already, they will be open in here. So as you can see, it is installed right now. Now let's wait and allow, and here it is. So now what you have to do is pretty simple. Just play as guest or create an account. So let's create an account. Let's sign up using with, for example, Google account. And let's give them the permission to our account. And now we just only have to open this, open buff, and let's wait a little bit. And here you go. So now as you can see, you can just go here to see your highlights. Whenever you play a game, you will see your highlights in here. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.